Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying that your laptop has a compatible high-bandwidth port. Thunderbolt 3 or 4 is ideal. Once done, update BIOS, chip, and Thunderbolt drivers so the system will accept an external device. Next, pick an eGPU enclosure sized for your GPU and verify its PSU wattage covers peak load. Make sure the enclosure uses an external power connector your card requires. After you've gathered hardware, physically power down the laptop and prepare to connect the enclosure. You now install the GPU into the enclosure, seating it firmly and attaching any required 6/8-pin power leads. Tighten screws and confirm cooling clearance. Once assembled, connect the enclosure to your laptop with the Thunderbolt cable and approve the device in any prompt that appears. This authorizes PCIe access. Then boot Windows or Mac OS, install the latest GPU drivers from the vendor, and reboot. After restart, make sure the eGPU is selected for your games or set external displays to the eGPU output. You finish by validating that the eGPU is recognized in Device Manager or the System Report and run a quick benchmark to confirm performance gains. If performance is poor or unstable, make sure the Thunderbolt cable is high quality and that firmware on both laptop and enclosure is current. Also check Windows power settings and PCIe link state. If problems persist, reinstall GPU drivers cleanly, temporarily disable the integrated GPU to isolate conflicts, and reboot. This often resolves driver handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.